We are making this delicious and healthy Korean Kimbap. Start with cooking some rice. You can cook it in a pot or rice cooker if you have one. Thinly sliced beef and season it with salt, pepper, some garlic powder, sesame oil, soy sauce, and some oyster sauce. Mix well and let it marinate. Cut carrot into small, thin strips. Cook the carrot briefly on the stove. Next up, cook the beef that was marinated earlier. Blanch the spinach in boiled water and quickly put it into ice water. Squeeze out the water and season it with some salt and sesame oil. Beat some eggs together with a bit of salt. Cook it on the pan and cut into thin strips. I got these strips of pickled Korean radish and the roots. Season fries with sesame seed, salt, and sesame oil. Now you have all the ingredients ready. Lay out the seaweed sheet. Put some rice on it, lay it out thinly, and add on the ingredients. And roll them up together. Cut them into about 1/2 inch piece and enjoy it afterwards.